Did you know that nearly 70% of Muslim parents struggle to get their kids to pray consistently? Or maybe you've faced the challenge yourself. Your child avoids Salah, gets distracted, or sees it as a chore. If any of this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But don't worry, today we're diving into proven strategies to make teaching kids Salah at home both effective and enjoyable. Teaching kids Salah at home is one of the most rewarding yet challenging tasks for Muslim parents. It requires patience, creativity, and the right approach. In this video, we'll discuss practical strategies to engage your kids, address common struggles, and help them develop a lifelong love for Salah. Many parents face common obstacles when teaching their children Salah. Some kids see it as boring, while others find it too difficult to remember the movements and words. Others may not fully understand the importance of prayer or feel self-conscious about praying in front of family. These challenges can make it tough to instill a consistent prayer habit, so how do we overcome them? The key to engaging kids in Salah is to make learning interactive and meaningful. Here are some effective techniques. Use stories. Share engaging stories about the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the importance of Salah. Make it fun. Turn Salah practice into an exciting activity with games, challenges, or Salah-themed crafts. Reward progress. Create a simple Salah chart with stickers or small rewards to encourage consistency. Lead by example. Kids learn by watching, so praying together as a family can make a huge impact. One of the most powerful strategies that has helped many parents is establishing a Salah routine. By setting a specific prayer time, using visual reminders, and incorporating positive reinforcement, kids start seeing Salah as a natural and enjoyable part of their day. Instead of forcing them to pray, help them want to pray by making it a special bonding time with family. So remember, teaching kids Salah successfully is all about patience, creativity, and consistency. Use stories, rewards, and family prayer time to make it a positive experience. Over time, you'll see your child develop a genuine love for Salah. What has worked for you when teaching your kids Salah? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video on making Islamic learning fun for kids. See you there.